Imagine you're enjoying a relaxing day at the spa. You're in the pedicure massage chair with the whirlpool. Now, imagine you can see what's circulating in the water. Perhaps it's just warm soothing bubbles. Or maybe it's just the soft lavender scent relaxing. But what if there's something more? What if there's something darker lurking in the water? Today, I'm going to explain some of the risks of going to the nail salon. Did you know, according to Robert Spalding, a podiatrist in Tennessee, up to 75% of nail salons do not follow proper disinfection protocols? As a trained and licensed nail technician, I will be discussing some of the often overlooked safety protocol that is in place to not only protect you, but also your loved ones. I will also be discussing how to identify safe salons and what you can do to better protect yourself during your next appointment. Every state has certain rules and regulations to help protect you. They have an entire board known as the Board of Cosmetology. These state boards must and meet regularly and make frequent visits to the salon to ensure they are complying with the rules. To be a nail technician in the state of Oklahoma, did you know that you have to have at least 600 hours of class time? In class, we learn we learn how to perform excellent services for our clients. We learn how to protect our clients, and we learn all about infections and how to prevent them. You can get an infection in lots of different ways, though. You can get infections because the nail technician wasn't properly trained in how to prevent them, or the implements perhaps weren't properly cleansed, but you can also give infections to yourself through microscopic cuts. Sometimes the nail technician is the one that's introducing the germs to your system, but sometimes you are actually the one. As a nail technician, we implore our clients to not shave before a pedicure. That is something simple that anyone can follow. The reason that we ask our clients not to shave is because the microscopic cuts allow microscopic bacteria into our bloodstreams, sometimes resulting in catastrophic infections. After all this, and we like the stubble. It exfoliates our hands and keeps them nice and soft. So, what exactly does it take to make sure that these germs don't get into your bloodstream? Well, we have to disinfect. Disinfecting is killing the large majority of germs on any solid surface. You can use an EPA disinfectant. That's what they use in hospitals. You can use an autoclave, like what they use in a doctor's office. Or you can use barbicide. Barbicide is the blue stuff that you see at most of your beautician shops that they keep their scissors or combs in. We can decide which form of disinfection is best for us depending on what we're actually using. According to the U.S. EPA, metallic implements can go into autoclaves, but vials that are fit for disinfection, they must be soaked for at least 15 minutes. We have to scrub them first. According to the article Where Germs Hide, you cannot get the solution to the germs if you haven't scrubbed off the nail beds that the germs are hiding behind first. So we must scrub first and then soak for 15 minutes. Then we scrub again, this time with just hot, warm water, and that ensures that the solutions that we use to disinfect our implements don't affect our clients illy. Sometimes those solutions can lead to hypersensitivity and even problems with the skin resulting in blistering or burns. So now that we know that everything has to be disinfected, how can we disinfect a whirlpool? We know that they have to be soaked for 15 minutes. So how do we do that? Well, we know we can't put it in an autoclave. The simple solution is we first scrub out our tubs, then we fill them with an EPA registered disinfectant solution. My favorite is OPI's Salon Complete. This disinfectant is not as harsh as some others, but is also highly effective according to OPI Company. Once we allow the solution to sit for 15 minutes, we also need to run it through the pipes so we have a whirlpool pedicure tub. Once that is done, we can then drain it, rinse it, and and scrub once again. Just make sure that the solution isn't going to be coming in contact with our clients. So what can we do if you aren't comfortable at the salon? Now, now that you know a little bit about disinfection, let's suppose you're in a salon and you can tell that they aren't keeping things clean. Maybe they pull out a file that you see nail dust on. Well, we already know that what's behind the nail dust are germs, according to Vicki Peters. Ew! So on that note, the easiest thing to do is either ask for a different nail technician or go to a new salon. Other things that we need to look for to ensure our safety at the salon is to make sure that they have their license posted in a place that's easy to see. The license should have a color picture on it and should be up to date. If the picture is black and white or the license is not up to date, then the nail technician that is taking care of you is not currently licensed through the State Board of Cosmetology. Those licenses must be renewed once a year according to the Oklahoma State Board of Cosmetology Handbook. So now that we know everything that could happen, we are better informed and we're able to make better decisions about what is best for us as clients at the nail salon. As you can see, there are many unseen dangers. However, this is no reason that we should not go. We simply need to be more informed. We need to remember that it's okay to go to a new salon if we aren't happy at the one that we're at. So let's keep everyone happy and tip your nail tech. Thanks.